Welcome back to the channel. This video is about Google Cloud Dataflow. I will explain what Dataflow is and also I will explain why we use it. There is no code in this video. Code starts in the next video. This video is just a simple introduction of Dataflow. So what is Dataflow? Dataflow is a service on Google Cloud. It runs your data pipelines for you. You write the steps. For example, read data, change data, save data. Dataflow does the rest. It starts the machines. It scales them up or down. It retries if something fails. Dataflow uses a tool called Apache Beam. Beam is how you write your pipeline. Dataflow is what runs the pipeline. Remember it this way. Beam tells Dataflow what to do. Beam is the recipe and Dataflow is the kitchen. You write your pipeline once in Beam, and Dataflow takes care of running it, scaling it, and managing the infrastructure behind the scenes. Dataflow can handle two types of data, batch data and streaming data. Batch means fixed data. Example, a file in cloud storage. You process it one time. Example, process yesterday's sales data every night. Streaming means data that keeps coming. It never stops. Examples, clicks on a website. New clicks come every second. Dataflow can handle both batch and streaming. You don't need two different systems. So when should you use Dataflow? First, if you are already using Google Cloud, Dataflow is a great choice. Second, if you don't want to manage servers or infrastructure yourself. Third, if you need to process both batch data and real-time streaming data using the same pipeline. And finally, if you expect your data to grow over time, Dataflow can automatically scale to handle larger workloads. Now, when should you not use Dataflow? If your data is small and your processing is simple, Dataflow might be more than you need. Also, if your team already has a mature Spark environment and is comfortable using it, Spark may be the better option. A simple rule to remember this. Use Dataflow when you want Google Cloud to handle the infrastructure so you can focus on your data pipeline instead of managing servers. Let's do a quick recap. Dataflow is a fully managed service on Google Cloud. It runs data pipelines built with Apache Beam. It can process both batch and streaming data. Google takes care of infrastructure so you don't have to manage servers. In the next video, we will get hands-on. We will set up a Google Cloud project and run our first Dataflow pipeline. If you found this video helpful, please like, subscribe, and stay tuned for the next one. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.